Hi, I'm Simona, and today my companion is a Škoda Kamiq. I'm going to introduce you to it in 60 seconds. So here we go. The Kamiq SUV makes a bold statement with its rugged and robust appearance. Elevated seating makes getting in and out of the car more comfortable. Take a closer look at the characteristic split headlights, now with new proportion. A new feature are the LED matrix headlights. Inside, you'll find a virtual cockpit, an up to 9-inch infotainment display, and a phone box with inductive charging and cooling. Also, many simply clever solutions are available with this model. Smart details such as this door edge protection. TSI petrol engines with power outputs from 95 to 150 horsepower are under the bonnet. The transmission can be manual or automatic. That's the Škoda Kamiq, a true blend of strength, security and style that will accompany you wherever you go.
Škoda.